Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a radio you need to get, either for yourself or for someone else. This is a must-have. This is an emergency radio. This one is from PRUNUS. It's the J-361. It's on sale on Amazon right now for $20. I put it in my Amazon store. The link to my store is in the description below this video. It is AM, FM, and weather band. It has Bluetooth capability. It has TF card playback capability. It has USB drive capability. And many more things, which I'm going to tell you about, hopefully, in the next few minutes. It has an earphone jack. All that, let me show it to you. All that is under this little cover right here. Charging port, earphone jack, USB, TF card. So you push this in here and keep it covered up. Now, one thing I will mention, as you see, it didn't stay there. The TF card slot, which I have a TF card in here, the TF card does not go all the way in flush. So it sticks out, and then you can't put this back in place. I talked to the people at PRUNUS and asked them, do I dare just take this off? Because like I say, any of those connections you want to use, you're going to have this down. And they recommended no, because since it's an emergency radio and you want to use it in emergency conditions like a storm, you want to take, in my case, take that card out, push this back in to seal those connectors. So that's what they recommend, and that makes sense. The controls, these are the controls for playback off of the TF card or the USB drive, or even controlling your cell phone or tablet through Bluetooth. This is the band select. Let me get closer so you can see these things. There you go. So there's the band select, FM, AM, weather band, tuning dial, analog tuning dial, and the tuning dial is set up so that it has got a white pointer on a red background, so it really stands out. And then down there you can select either music from your cards, the radio, or an SOS alarm in case you're buried in some rubble and you hear somebody coming by and you want to signal them, hey, I'm down here, come dig me out. So that is available. Some other functions, let me move this out of the way, is lights. It has a nice bright light right there. It has another thing. Let me put the telescopic antenna down. Don't want to break it off. You push right there, and look at that. There's a reading light. Pretty cool. So if you're without power, you can use the reading light. Solar panel charged or USB charged. It's got an internal battery, 250 milliamp hour battery, which I believe, I haven't taken it out because you do have to remove some screws right there and there. I haven't taken it out yet. So that's there. Crank charging. Like I say, solar panel, and you can put in here, you can put 2 AA batteries. So you got all those sources of power. Again, this is an emergency radio, and you need one. Carrying strap. Telescopic antenna is about 24 inches. It does, yes, it does swivel. That's nice. It measures about 6.3 inches. Put my hand on it. Gives you an indication of the size. about a pound by 3.8 inches by 2.8 inches. So it's very handy to carry. I could say it weighs about a pound. Let's turn it on and see what we can receive. I have to be careful and stay away from music. Okay, we're going to go, we're on radio. This is the on-off switch and volume. Okay, it saw that I have the TF card in there. And so it's playing music from the free YouTube library. And the sound is great. Lots of volume. Next track. So this is the switch tracks, pause and play. This is the light button. I'll turn it on briefly because it's really bright. Whoa, that is a bright light. And of course, if you have this raised up, then the reading light comes on. Yeah, let's just raise it up and show it to you. Getting a little off track here. Okay, now we'll turn it on. There we go. Very, very bright. That will really come in handy if you're without power. Put that back down. Very convenient. We'll go to radio mode. Whoop, no, I don't want SOS. Oh, that siren is loud. There we go. Now we're radio mode.
Styles from Nike, Adidas, Crocs,
We are on
Skechers, and more. With over 800
AM, I believe. There we go to weather band.
Sees 1 foot or less.
There we go.
Wave detail, southeast 1
loud
foot
and clear.
seconds. Bay and inland waters light chop. Tuesday night, south.
I can only get, as you heard loud and clear, I can only get one weather band station. Normally I can get 2, but this has got a very short antenna, and I'm in my office, which has got a lot of electronics, so there's a lot of interference. So that's working more than adequate. Go to AM band again. Plenty of volume. Music.
Nuts results. And that frustrates over very easily.
You're absolutely right, but it also gets down to scheduling. Let me give you this number. There's not a runway.
It likes to be this way because the stations are that way.
Even a 2.5-minute separation.
Nope, I kicked the camera. Show's over.
Why are the airlines allowed to schedule 40 departures at 8
Plenty of volume. Very clear. Music.
NBC reporter is.
So, oh guys, stay away from that music. So not only do you get the weather band, but you get AM and FM. AM during storms, they will be broadcasting weather information. So, and oh my gosh, PRUNUS, they must be listening to me. I love these red, bright red radios. Oh, I love them. What do you think? Get one for yourself and or your friends or relatives or the guy across the street that helps you with your lawn. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.